In the previous few units, we explored the concept of lists. From this unit onwards, we will look at another data structure in Python, known as dictionary. A dictionary is generally used for mapping. For instance, consider a telephone directory, which has names mapped with the contact numbers. You can find the contact number if you have the name of an individual. Similarly, a dictionary in Python also has a mapping between a key and its value. You can access the dictionary using keys to get the information or value stored within these keys. Hence, unlike lists, dictionaries are indexed by its keys. Further, unlike lists, which are an ordered sequence of objects, dictionaries are unordered, because the items in the dictionaries are accessed via keys, and not via their position. The keys of a dictionary are unique, that is, no two keys with the same name can store different values. Further, dictionaries are mutable, which means that you can change the content of the dictionary without changing their identity. However, the keys of a dictionary are immutable. Dictionary syntax. Dictionaries are enclosed in brace brackets, and the key-value pair should be separated by a comma. You may pause the video and have a look at some of the examples. Similar to lists, different functions can be performed on dictionaries, such as dict.keys, which returns all the keys of dictionary, dict.value, which returns all the values of dictionary, and dict.pop, key, which pops the key which you require. We will look at more such functions that can be performed on dictionaries in the upcoming IPython notebook. Till then, stay tuned.